Where you going, Blake? What are you doing? Blake! Where are you going? Well, that chair certainly isn't slowing you down, huh? Where are you going? Hush! What were you trying to get, huh? What were you doing, huh? But where were you going? Go under, buddy. Go under. There you go. Not right there. That's too small. Or not. There you go. You've escaped. Oh. You did it. You got out of there. Good job. Good job.